Hey guys, welcome to my new home studio. I'm not ready to reveal yet the entire thing because I still have a couple of things to do, but today I want to show you the unboxing of the acoustic treatment. The acoustic treatment is from Ekustik, a company from Czech Republic, premium stuff, and you're gonna see that in the unboxing. The acoustic treatment arrived in April. I got two big pallets with panels and bass traps, really massive pallets with all the panels and the bass traps. The packaging was quite impressive. Every single panel was packed individually with a card box. I really love the details of the packaging, and you can see that inside the box we have the panels in a nice thick paper. And with the card box and the thick paper, your panels are super safe. Now let's jump back in time and unbox the panels. I think this is a panel because it's not that heavy. Don't get me wrong, this is not a light panel by any means, but it's not as heavy as the bass straps. Inside of the first cardboard box, we have the actual panel in a nice paper. All acoustic panels come with this envelope. Inside the envelope, if I can get it out, and inside every single box we have the certificate of origin with the product. This is a Woody Queen panel. Who made it? A couple of information. It's handmade, made in Czech Republic, sustainable, honest work, eco-friendly, and unique production. A really nice touch. This is a cloud, and it's amazing that they have included all the things you need to install the panels. Sugar. The last thing inside that envelope is a thank you note and their socials, plus how to place and install the panels on the ceiling. And that's it. Let's rip out the paper and let's see the panel. This is a cloud, so we have the mounting points on the back. Burnt wood on the sides, cream material in the front. Inside the panels we have recycled materials. We don't have rock wool or glass mineral wool, so this is not going to be a safety hazard at all. This one is much heavier, so I think it's a bass strap. Yep. The bass straps also come with extra screws. They have included a lot of screws, so I think I will not have any issues with installing all the panels. This is the way that the bass straps will be installed. These are included, which is great. Same principle applies to the panels. Same burnt wood, which gives a nice aesthetic to the panels. This one is much thicker and much heavier than a regular panel. A really nice material on the back. All the panels are out of the box. I need to clean up the mess. I've managed to unbox everything. I have 6 bass traps. I have 10 panels. I'm missing the diffusers. Those will be sent over shortly. Everything looks and feels super premium. That was the unboxing for the panels and for the bass traps. You can see that in the meantime I have received the diffusers. The diffusers are amazing. I have placed them behind me because I want to create a sense of depth in the room, because the room is quite small. In a future video I will talk about the entire process of setting up the acoustic treatment for the studio. I'm super impressed with the quality of the products from Acoustic. The panels sound amazing, but they also look really beautiful. See you guys in the next video.